Hey guys, today I got my LoneWolf barrel, 45 ACP, extended, as you can see. This was 125 bucks on eBay. Real good quality. Of course, LoneWolf. I'm gonna get it ported. Well, actually, I'm not sure. I might get it ported or threaded, so I don't know, look better. But yep, as you can see, the size difference there. Also getting some other parts here soon. Hooking this gun up. Yep. And I also got with this my stainless steel guide rod, also from LoneWolf. This was about $25, $5 shipping, 30 bucks. It's pretty real good. But yep, I got that stuff, and I got a lot more coming in. Keep you guys posted with some videos, and thanks for watching. Watch my other videos, my other GLOCK videos. Should have an AK-47 video coming up. I don't know yet, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. See ya.